operator is relational or comparison operator. So these relational operators are simply used to compare two values, so that it returns the value either true or false. So whenever the according to the condition satisfies, the value will be true, and if the condition does not satisfy, then value will be false. So let's have the relational operators overview. So the first operator is equal, then not equal. So in this table you can actually see how many different operators are available in Python for the comparison. So these are very common, related to even other programming language. So similar thing you can find the same with the Python also. So let's jump to the example. So let's create two variable, a is equals to 10 and b is equals to 20. So use the print function a equals to b. So value is false. Again print a greater than b. So false. Print a less than b. So this condition satisfies, that's why the true value is there. Not only this, we can store the result in any variable also. So a less than b, and if you check the type of this result, so that will be boolean type. So this is boolean value which comparison operators return. So one last example we will see here for the simple comparison, less than or equals to. So a less than equals to b. So definitely it is less, that's why true. So there are lots of another examples related to this comparison operator. So let's see all those examples. So we not only the integer, but we can also use these operators on string. So string data type comparison is also allowed. So simply say what I am doing here, the first simple a character, and say a greater than this b character, so it returns the false. Not only this, even equals to operator is also used. So let's say print a equals again a, so true. So this is how you can use these relational operators on a string data type. One more example, not only the string, but you can also use the boolean value itself, because internally it is doing comparison related to this. So true equals to true, so we can also compare boolean values. But here let's say if we do this kind of combination, 50 greater than true, then also it performs the value, because if you check the value of this true, it means true, let's say true plus true, it will be 2, because internally the true and false is 0 and 1. That's why we can perform this kind of operation. So this is called comparison operation. So for the simplicity, let's say create one program here, a is equals to 10, b is equals to 20, and use the if operator, not operator, if, simply if a greater than b, say print a is greater, and the else part, simply say print b is greater. That's it. So save this program. So I saved this program with ex1.py. Run this program using run module or F5. So b is greater, because if you see here the value of b is 20. Let's change the value of a and run the program. This time a is greater. So in this way you can save your program in IDLE and create a file as a .py and run that file. So this is comparison operator. So one more point to remember with the comparison operator. So chaining relation is there. So what is mean by chaining relation? So here simply let's say, 1 less than 2 less than 3 less than 4. So the value is true. So this is also allowed in Python. Okay. So what is the exact working of these kinds of sentences? See, so if all the comparison returns the true, then only the result will be true. So if you check here, all the comparisons are true. That's why the value is true. But if at least one comparison returns the false, then the overall result is false. So let's test it. So 2 less than 1 less than 3 less than 4. So it will be a false because one of the comparison here is false. So this is chaining of relational operator in Python. So the last one, let's say print 10 not equals to 10 not equals to 20. A simple example. So it is correct. So equality operator equals to, double equals to, and not equals to. So these are the operators that you can use. So let's compare the last one. Let's say string ABCD equals to, let's say ABCD. So this is false because these are totally different, not in the terms of case sensitivity, but the other way. So if we compare the same string, then it will be correct. So ABCD this time. So it is true. So this is how we can use the comparison operators in Python.